How to fix high memory, CPU, disk, RAM usage on Windows? For this first step, restart your device, wait for Windows to restart and check if the resource usage has decreased. If not, means move on with next step. Close unnecessary program, open up Task Manager, click the Process tab, scroll down and search for any application or process you not need means end the task, click it and end the task. And come to next step, disable startup program, click the startup application tab, scroll down. If you not need any application or process means you need to click it and disable it. Make sure you no need to disable the inbuilt application, it's an important thing. And move on with next step, free up disk space, click settings, click system settings, scroll down, click storage settings, wait for some time to load. Once the loading complete after, click temporary files, click it, select files you want to remove, scroll down and select it, click remove, click continue. Once complete after, come back and the next step, enable storage sense. In this you have seen the storage management. Under storage management you have seen storage sense. Enable it, it will automatically free up the space. And move on with next step, search for advanced system settings, click the viewed advanced system settings, click it, click advanced settings. Under performance you have settings, click it, click one more time advanced. Under virtual memory you have seen changes, click it and enable the automatically manage paging file size for all drives, enable it and click apply and OK and restart it. Once complete after, the next step, open up this PC, click the C drive, right click it, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Make sure you have minimum memory space in C drive, minimum 20 to 25 GB. Once the scanning complete after, it will throw up the message successfully scanned. Click OK. And the next step, search for command prompt, right click, click run as administrative and type the following text, sfc space / scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. Essentially verifying your files in the drive. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. It's actually verifying the all the files in the device. Once complete after, it will throw up the message after exit it. Thank you.